In this video, I'm going to talk about some Cisco regular expression pattern matching characters. So I've got this document from cisco.com, and it summarizes this table summarizes the basic Cisco iOS regular expression characters and their functions. So we have uh, three columns: regular expression character, their function, and some examples. So let's start with dot. So I have a router here that we can use to test these regular expression characters. So trying to let me do this. Okay, so show interface, IP interface brief. So looking at the examples, so 0.0 matches um, this string and this string. So we can actually do this. Show IP interface brief and pipe includes so 1.2. So this will show this IP address. Let me see if it's gonna work. Okay, it works. How about this example here? So t matches strings such as text or test, text, and tart. So you can actually try this. Dot a. Okay, it works. About d n. Okay, it works. Okay, so that's for the dot character. Let me um, see if we can test this backslash character. So matches the character following the backslash. Also matches escape special characters. So let me actually see if we can try this here. So 192 dot, or actually backslash dot 1 backslash dot dot. Okay, that's wrong. So it should be 168 backslash dot dot. Okay. So 192.168 dot something. This is also gonna work. And this is also gonna work. But this 7, or how about this? Yeah, it's not gonna work. How about this? Oh, okay, it works. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna escape this. Open, how do you read this? Open bracket and square bracket and close bracket. Matches the characters or a range of characters separated by a hyphen within left and right square brackets. I'm just gonna escape that for now. Let's proceed with caret. Matches the character or null string at the beginning of an input string. So this is an example. Matches 1, 2, 3, 4, but not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be at the beginning. Matches the character or null string at the beginning of an input string. Okay, let me try this. Show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. Include caret. How about that? Okay, it works. How about that? Now, should be at the beginning of the string. So let me do this. Yeah, that works. Okay, I'm gonna escape the question mark for now. Matches dollar sign matches the character or null string at the end of an input string. So show IP interface brief. So matches the character or null string at the end of an input string. So this is an example. 1, 2, 3 dollar sign matches 0, 1, 2, 3, but not 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be at the end of an input string. Okay. Um, okay. Let me try this. Okay, it's not working. How about this? How about this? Show run dollar sign. So any characters or strings that has this string at the end. Okay, this works. So basically it matches any characters, I mean, or strings that has 0/3 at the end. So this one works. How about oh UTO? How about that? Still still works. So asterisk matches 0 or more sequences of the character preceding the asterisk. Also acts as a wildcard or for matching any number of characters. So these are examples. 5 asterisk matches any occurrence of the number 5, including none. 18 backslash dot dot asterisk matches the characters 18 and any characters that follow 18. Okay, let's test this. So matches 0 or more sequences of the character preceding the asterisk. Also acts as a wildcard for matching any number of characters. So okay, include this is gonna work. Okay, how about 192? Still works. How about this? Still works. Still works. So any characters. So okay, yeah, all of the strings. Okay, how about this? Still works. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the plus character and this. So let's try this. This is the vertical line or actually pipe symbol. So this is something that we use or yeah, something that we use on a regular basis. So examples here. So this is kind of easy. Let's say I want to show the up and down interfaces. So that's gonna work. But so yeah, it works. And last is the underscore character. Replaces a long expression, regular expression list by matching a comma. Left brace, right brace, the beginning of the input string, the end of the input string, or a space. So these are the examples. So let me actually do this. So, comma, comma. I'm gonna look for a word that has a comma at the end of it. So in this one, evaluation, comma. So this should um, this should output all the evaluation words that have comma at the end of them. Okay, yeah, these are all the evaluation words that have comma at the end of them. So, yep, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.